In this video, we're going to show you how the DEAD recap works and explain why it's so important. The DEAD recap report shows you what projects you've lost and the last comment you made on that project file within a specific time frame. The reason you might want to see that last comment in this report is because you can see why you may have lost that job. We do have a feature within Follow-Up that allows you to require a comment when someone updates the sales status as dead or lost. If you're an administrator within the platform, you can do this by clicking on your name in the top right corner and navigating to your company settings. From here, you'll want to click on the Codes tab. Once you do that, click on Sales Status on the left underneath Miscellaneous Information. Next, you'll find the sales status that's labeled dead. You'll see that this is listed in the dead category, which means it's going to go against your closing ratio when you update the sales status in your file. Next to that dead file, you'll see that they have a comment checked off. This is what's going to require your team to leave a comment after marking a project as dead or lost. So now when you run the dead recap report, you'll be able to see that last comment and get an understanding of why you lost each project, and then you can train and coach your team to do that for you. So that's just a tip for you that we recommend using to help analyze your lost projects, find trends, and then fill any gaps based on those insights. Now let's go back to the Reports tab. The dead recap report is going to be based on the dead date. So when you update your sales status to dead, it's going to add the date that project was lost. Go ahead and filter your dates. For this example, we're going to do the last 30 days and view this from a company level. Next, you'll select the dead recap and hit Get Report. Now when we open the report, you'll see the dates you've selected and a breakdown of all your dead projects. You'll see the project name, bid ID, the base bid that was given, the account manager, the estimator, and the last comment that was posted on that project file, so you can see what happened and why each project was lost. Now when you scroll down to the bottom of this report, this will show you the total bid amount that was lost for each month in the time frame that was selected. So because we ran this report from the last 30 days, you're not going to get a total for the entire month, but from the part of the month that was selected in your filtered date range. And that's an overview of the dead recap report. This is an excellent tool we recommend using to help you understand why certain projects were lost and fill any necessary gaps to help you win more jobs.